Hey everyone, Brian from All Day Ruckoff here, and today we're doing an unboxing, or I guess in this case, an unbagging of the Defy Bags Parker pack, which is kind of like a fanny pack. I bought this for one reason in particular, and I can't believe I bought a crossbody bag so you can wear it across your top, or you can wear it as a fanny pack. But I've been taking my kids to the park a ton. My daughter is almost 2, my son is almost 5, and I'm chasing them all over the place. I want something that can hold in tight, close to my body, doesn't restrict my arm movement at all, and that I can keep the essentials in there. So I can keep my phone in there, keep my wallet, whatever else I need to bring with me, because sometimes things pop out of the jeans, and then you're stuck trying to find that while your kids are running off into the parking lot. I honestly didn't think this day would come, but I guess it's good that they're kind of back in style. And on the plus side, I'm married and I've got 2 kids, so I'm not trying to impress anyone. With that being said, if I was going to get a crossbody bag or a fanny pack, I wanted to get a good one. So this one's from Defy Bags. They're out of Chicago, handmade in the USA. From what I can tell, based on reviews online, based on the brand, the company, it's kind of like the Go Ruckoff fanny packs. This one was from Amazon. They had it on their website for a while, the wax canvas version. They still have the 1000D ballistic nylon version, but I couldn't find the wax canvas one, so I ended up buying it off Amazon, and it was same-day delivery, which was pretty wild. Comes with this little insert. Basically, it says, handcrafted in Chicago, made in the USA. Life is too short for cheap buckles, so I guess buy a fanny pack. It doesn't say the last part, but we'll see. They do use Cobra buckles on a lot of their packs, and Cobra buckles are expensive. I've looked at getting them and using them just because they're kind of cool. They're heavy, but they're about $20 to get them retail, maybe a little bit more. They make this really satisfying click sound when you put it in, and it just sounds nice. There it is again. So I'm curious how it's going to be with the Cobra buckles, because they're a heavier buckle, which is one of the main reasons why I've never used them from anything that I've had custom made or that I've had built, because it's basically extra weight when a plastic buckle can usually do the job. I mean, obviously, plastic isn't as tough as metal, but at the same time, whatever you're putting this fanny pack through, or this crossbody pack, whatever you want to call it, this thing, do you really need a heavy buckle? I guess we'll see. So the buckle looks like right off the left side, which is nice because it's got this giant D-ring here. So if you wanted to hang something off of it, I guess that would work out pretty well. This thing's a little tangled up here. It's a loud buckle. It's got a nice strap. It reminds me of a car seat strap. And we'll see how comfortable it is. There's no like additional padding or anything on it, but at the same time, it's just going across your chest. I'm not planning on using this for an extended period of time, mostly park trips, stuff like that where you're out and about and you just want to keep everything close to you and you don't want to bring a backpack. Up until this point, I've always been using the Bullet 10 for the park pack. I guess this is called the Parker pack, so I'm using it for the park soon. I've been using the Bullet 10 because it's awesome, it's light, but it's still a backpack, and I still have to worry about it possibly, I don't know if like coming off is the thing, but getting stuck on stuff when you're going down slides. I don't know about you, but when I go to the park with my kids, I go to the park with my kids. So I'm climbing up the sides. I'm probably a bit crazier than most of the other parents there. So I'll jump up, I'll scare them, I'll help them with the monkey bars, I'll climb on top of the monkey bars. Just have a lot of fun with them because it's fun having fun with my kids. So I don't sit on the bench with a phone or any of that stuff. I just want it with me in case something happens, there's an emergency, but I want it out of the way. Getting into this pack, I'm going to buckle this thing up so that we don't hear this buckle clanging around a ton during this. It looks like there's 2 pockets on it. I really didn't do that much research into this thing before I bought it, which is either a good thing or a bad thing. We'll see. It's got the Defy Bags logo sewn in right here on the left. It's the loud buckle. It's got a nice compartment in the front. You can see the zipper opens up across. Easily enough room for a phone. Easily enough room for protein bars, for Cliff bars, for snacks. You might even be able to get a smaller mirrorless camera in there. Some of the pictures they have on their website, they show people with cameras in there. So I'm not sure if it's that pocket or the bigger one. Getting into the bigger one, this thing's got a decent amount of room in it. You can actually load this thing up, I mean, pretty well. You'd probably look pretty ridiculous if you're wearing this either as a fanny pack or across the front. But I mean, this could kind of be like a mini backpack if you just did crossbody with it on the back. There's no attachment points on the inside. There is this little divider pocket, which is nice in here. So you keep a notebook and a pen in there. Keep something small separated from the rest of the pocket. It's tough to see the inside because it's a black pack. But basically, giant hole in the main compartment with a small little flap in here. And then in the front, just a nice open pouch. Obviously, I just unboxed it, so I don't know how it's going to work for use. I might do another video. I might not. We'll see. I went with the wax canvas version instead of the ballistic nylon version because ever since getting that Heritage GR1, I've been a huge fan of wax canvas. I freaking love that pack. Shot an unboxing video for it, was impressed with it then. I've used it a ton, and I'm still impressed with it. Not sure if it's worth $595 in the slightest, but I love the pack. That's one of those tough things, right? So just looking around the bag, there's another D-ring on the right, so you could clip on, I don't know, keys, a little flashlight thing. I'm not really sure what I would clip on these D-rings because I throw my keys in here. I don't want stuff just like hanging off of this while I'm using it or, you know, running around the park, doing whatever with it. Maybe if you're using this as your only bag and you couldn't fit everything inside of it, you might hang something off, but I don't know. We'll see. I might have to research some reviews, see what other people are using those buckles for, because honestly, I'm not convinced I would use them for much. No matter which way you look at it, the pack looks like it's sewn up really, really nice. There's only one loose thread that I found right here. It's one that's easily clippable. It's not in a spot that's going to cause any issues with the structural integrity of this fanny pack. But I am definitely impressed with the quality of it. If you've got any questions about the Defy Bags Parker pack, leave them in the comments. Honestly, I still can't believe I bought a fanny pack, but here we are. Got a fanny pack in my right hand, and I'll probably be wearing it to the park later today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing. Truly, truly appreciate it. If you have any comments about the fanny pack, about why I shouldn't have bought a fanny pack, why fanny packs are not awesome, leave them in the comments. Love to hear all of your thoughts on fanny packs. and anything else you got. Thank you so much for all the support, and don't forget, attitude is everything. Keep yours positive, and drink hard, rock harder.